Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all in online learning management system at Government Girl Degree College Chitidheri Mansira. I am Khadija Munir. I am going to teach you Computer Application 2. This course is for BS Chemistry 4th semester and this is our lecture number 2. Our topic is Microsoft Word. What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is word processing software. It is developed by Microsoft and is a part of Microsoft Office, as we discussed in previous lecture. It enables you to create, edit, and save professional documents like letters and reports. So Microsoft Word is a writing software. Here you can write your letter, report, any type of data, and you can edit, modify according to your requirement and your desire. Now, brief history about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word was released in 1983 as multi-tool Word. Its first version was based on the framework of Bravo, which was Word's first graphical writing program. Microsoft renamed multi-tools Word to Microsoft Word, and then in October 1983, Microsoft released its first version for the IBM PC. In 1985, Microsoft ported it to the Macintosh, which was different from its DOS-based counterpart. That is, Macintosh offered various major interface changes. In 1989, Microsoft released a new version of Word for its Windows operating system. It was the Microsoft Word who introduced the concept of first you see is what you get. That is, it allowed to create and display bold and italic text. In 2014, Microsoft developed the source code for Microsoft Word for Windows. Features of Microsoft Word: creating and saving a file, editing and formatting document, paragraph formatting, inserting and header and footer and page number, checking spelling and grammar, subscript and superscript, inserting symbols, preview and printing, inserting clip art, word art and pictures, page setting, bullets and numbers, border and shading, searching and replacing it by other words, inserting tables. These are some features used in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a very user-friendly software in which you can easily edit, create and save your file. You can easily modify your document, apply bold, italic, full color, text color, highlighter, border, shading. You can easily insert header and footers, page number, insert pictures, images in your document. You can also apply superscript and subscript in your document. It also gives you a facility of bullets and number. You can also check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Word, and you can find your word and letter in Microsoft Word easily. You can also insert tables in Microsoft Word and perform your task. Thank you.